Hello everyone, it's raining. Coco is using raincoat for the rain. They don't want to walk. It's like hard for him to walk with the raincoat because it's raining. We are here in mountainside for walking. Let's go. Come. 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 Ayaw niya maglakad. I'll start for you to walk. Huh? Because of your raincoat. Medyo malaki yung raincoat sa kanya, guys. Kaya siguro nahirapan siya. Let's go. Let's go. See? Our baby Coco. See? Oh, ganda ng raincoat niya. Social yan si Coco. Naka-raincoat. Diba? Let's go. Naulan kasi, kaya kailangan namin siyang ilabas pag naulan. Come. Let's go. Ayaw na mag Come. Let's go. Tinanggal niya, tinatanggal niya yung takip sa ulo niya. Let's go. Gusto maligo na lang. Come. Ayaw niya mag-ano. Ayaw niya maglakad. Come, let's go. Uy. Let's go na.